You can ask AI questions about your own notes on iPhone. What gift ideas do I have for Dad? Fly Notes answers from notes I actually wrote, a Coltrane vinyl, a Murakami hardcover. And it shows the exact notes it used, right under the answer. Not a chatbot guessing from the internet, your notes answering. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn what to ask, how to check every answer, and what happens when your notes don't know. Ask is the third step of the Fly Notes loop. You capture thoughts by voice or by typing, they file themselves. And then Ask turns the whole collection into something you can question in plain language. It reads your notes, builds an answer, and links every source. If your notes don't hold the answer, it says so instead of making one up. Think of it as your own memory, with a search interface you already know how to use, asking. Open the Ask tab and type a question the way you'd ask a friend. What did Sam and I think of that pasta place? Send it and the answer streams in, built from the dinner note you captured weeks ago and forgot about. That's the point of Ask. You don't need to remember where anything is or that it exists at all. The capture you almost didn't make becomes the answer you needed. Now the part that builds trust. Under every answer, there's a row called from your entries. Open it, and there are the actual notes the answer came from. Tap 1, and you're reading the original in full. Ask is read-only, it never edits or deletes a note, so exploring is always safe. Check the answer against your own words in one tap, and after a few checks, you'll stop needing to. Ask handles more than memories. Ask what's coming up this week, and it reads your reminders and to-dos and lays out what's due with times. Ask what ideas have I saved lately, and it gathers your ideas notes. Gift ideas, plans, workouts, decisions, things people said, if you captured it, it's answerable. And the habit feeds itself. The more freely you capture, the better every future answer gets. You can also point Ask at a slice of your notes just by naming it. What are my open work to-dos? The word work aims it at your work tag, to-dos aims it at tasks. And the answer comes back scoped to exactly that here, the expense report. Do this afternoon. Your tags become levers in plain language. No filter menus, the question itself is the filter. Ask remembers the thread. After the gift answer, I ask, which of those did I save most recently? It knows what those means, and answers from the same notes. Under Answers, Fly Notes also suggests follow-up questions. Tap 1 and keep pulling the thread. It reads like a chat, but every reply is anchored to your notes, and every reply keeps its receipts. And here's what happens when the answer isn't there. What's my passport number? I never saved it, so Ask tells me exactly that. It couldn't find anything about it in my notes. No guess, no invented answer dressed up in confidence. With Ask, I don't know is a feature, because it means every answer you do get traces back to something you actually wrote. One plain minute on privacy. Your notes stay on your iPhone, unless you use Ask or cloud transcription. When you ask, Fly Notes first finds the relevant notes on your iPhone and sends only those, not your whole library, to our AI providers through Open Router. With zero data retention. Nothing is stored and nothing trains on your notes. Ask also has a daily allowance on the free plan, so you can build the habit before you ever consider paying. You can see and change all of this in settings. So that's Ask. Capture freely, let it file itself, and question your notes in plain language, with every answer carrying its receipts. Start tonight, capture 5 thoughts, then ask what did I save today, and watch your own words come back organized. The full Fly Notes walkthrough and the self-organizing notes guide are linked right here. Thanks for watching.